Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 series and the De'Longhi Eletta Explore. Both seem pretty fancy, but they're definitely in different price brackets.
Yeah, I see that. The Philips is around $600, but it's a renewed model. The De'Longhi, wow, it's about $1,600, even with that 11% discount. What's making it so much more expensive?
Well, the De'Longhi boasts over 50 one-touch recipes, including cold brew, which is pretty cool. The Philips only mentions 5 coffee varieties, including iced coffee.
Okay, so more options on the De'Longhi. What about the grinder?
Both have built-in grinders, but the De'Longhi has 13 grind settings, so you can really fine-tune your coffee. The Philips just mentions ceramic grinders for 20,000 cups, which sounds durable, but not as adjustable.
Gotcha. Milk frothing? That's important for lattes.
The Philips has the LatteGo system, which uses cyclonic frothing. The De'Longhi has 2 latte crema systems, one for hot and one for cold foam. That's a big plus if you're into iced lattes and cappuccinos.
2 frothing systems? Okay, that's a legit advantage. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning coffee machines.
The Philips says it has an easy cleaning brew group that's removable. The De'Longhi mentions removable and dishwasher-safe parts, so it seems they both prioritize easy cleaning.
And size? Counter space is precious.
The dimensions are pretty similar, both around 17 inches deep and 10 inches wide. The De'Longhi is slightly taller, but not by much. It weighs a bit more too, 24.7 pounds, compared to the Philips 21.6.
Okay. So the De'Longhi has way more features, especially that cold brew and dual frothing system, but it's significantly pricier. The Philips is simpler and cheaper, but it's also a renewed product, which could be a gamble.
Exactly. It comes down to what you're willing to spend and what features are most important to you. If you're a coffee connoisseur who wants all the bells and whistles, the De'Longhi might be worth the investment. But if you're looking for a simpler, more affordable option, the Philips could do the trick. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.